Welcome to the English Podcast Station. We are happy you are here. This video will help you learn English. You will hear new words. You will learn how to use them. This story is easy to understand. It uses simple sentences. It is good for beginners. Listen carefully. You will improve your English skills. Enjoy the story. Chapter 1: A Young Mind Awakens. Stephen Hawking was born in England. It was a cold day in January. The year was 1942. He was a curious child. He loved to ask questions. He wanted to know how things worked. He looked at the stars. He wondered about the universe. He liked science. He liked math. He was very smart. He went to school. He learned many things. His mind was always busy. He thought about big ideas. He had a bright future ahead. He was full of dreams. Chapter 2: Early Days at Oxford. Stephen went to Oxford University. He studied physics. He studied cosmology. These are big words. Physics is about how the world works. Cosmology is about the universe. He was a good student. He worked hard. He liked his studies. He made friends. He enjoyed his time there. He was healthy. He could walk. He could run. He played sports. Life was good for him. He was discovering new things. His mind was growing. He was excited about science. Chapter 3: A Shocking Diagnosis. Then something changed. Stephen felt strange. His body was not working right. He went to the doctor. The doctor gave him bad news. Stephen had a disease. It was called ALS. This disease makes muscles weak. It makes it hard to move. It makes it hard to speak. The doctors said he would not live long. They said he had only a few years. This was very sad news. Stephen was scared. He was only 21 years old. His dreams seemed to vanish. Chapter 4: Finding Purpose in Adversity. Stephen felt very down. He felt hopeless. But then he started to think differently. He decided not to give up. He wanted to live. He wanted to learn more. He still had his mind. His mind was strong. He decided to focus on his studies. He wanted to understand the universe. He wanted to solve its mysteries. He found new strength. He found a new purpose. His mind became his greatest tool. He would use it to explore. Chapter 5: The Power of Love and Support. Stephen met a woman. Her name was Jane Wilde. They fell in love. Jane was very kind. She supported Stephen. He helped him a lot. They got married. They had children. Their family was very important. Jane helped him with his daily life. She helped him continue his work. Her love gave him strength. It gave him hope. It showed him he was not alone. This support helped him greatly. Chapter 6: A Voice Through Technology. As his body weakened, Stephen could not speak. It was hard to communicate. But technology helped him. He got a special computer. He could use his cheek muscle. He could choose words on the screen. The computer would speak for him. This was amazing. He could talk again. He could share his ideas. He could give lectures. He could write books. Technology gave him a voice. It allowed him to connect with the world. Chapter 7: Black Holes and Big Ideas. Stephen studied black holes. These are mysterious things in space. Black holes have strong gravity. Nothing can escape them. Not even light. Stephen had new ideas about black holes. He said they're not totally black. They can give off radiation. This is called Hawking radiation. This was a very important discovery. It changed how we think about black holes. It was a big step in science. Chapter 8: The Universe in a Nutshell. Stephen wrote books. His most famous book is A Brief History of Time. This book explains big ideas. It talks about the universe. It talks about time. It talks about black holes. He wrote it for everyone, not just scientists. He used simple words. Many people read his book. They learn about science. His book sold millions of copies. It made him famous. It helped people understand the universe. Chapter 9: Inspiring Millions. Stephen Hawking became a hero. He showed the world something amazing. He showed that the mind is powerful. He showed that physical limits do not stop you. He inspired many people. He showed them to never give up. He showed them to follow their dreams. His story gave hope. It gave courage. He was a symbol of strength. He showed that anything is possible. Chapter 10: Living with ALS. Living with ALS was hard. Stephen needed a lot of help. He needed nurses. He needed special equipment. He could only move a little, but his mind was sharp. It was still working. He continued to think. He continued to study. He continued to write. He faced many challenges, but he kept going. He never stopped learning. He never stopped exploring. Chapter 11. Travel and Public Speaking. Even with his disease, Stephen traveled. He went to many places. He gave speeches. People came to listen to him. They wanted to hear his ideas. They wanted to meet him. He shared his knowledge. He shared his passion for science. He loved to teach. He loved to inspire. His travels showed his determination. He did not let his body stop him. Chapter 12. A Legacy of Knowledge. Stephen Hawking left a great legacy. He taught us about the universe. He taught us about black holes. He taught us about time. His theories changed science. They made us think differently. His books are still read. His ideas are still studied. He pushed the boundaries of knowledge. He helped us understand our place in the cosmos. Chapter 13. Beyond Physical Limitations. Stephen Hawking showed us something important. Our minds are powerful. They can go beyond physical limits. Even when the body is weak, the mind can be strong. It can explore. It can create. It can discover. This is a lesson for all of us. Do not let anything stop your mind. Keep learning. Keep dreaming. Keep thinking. Chapter 14. The Human Spirit. Stephen's story is about the human spirit. It is about courage. It is about never giving up. It is about using your strengths. It is about finding a way. He faced a terrible illness, but he found a way to live a full life. He made amazing discoveries. He inspired the world. His life was a testament to human will. Chapter 15. An Eternal Inspiration. Stephen Hawking passed away. It was in 2018, but his ideas live on. His spirit lives on. He will always be an inspiration. His story reminds us to cherish our minds. It reminds us to pursue knowledge. It reminds us that limits are often in our minds. He was a true hero. He was a brilliant scientist. He was an amazing human being.